Welcome back. Today I'm gonna open this HyperX Quadcast streaming mic, and you can also use for gaming stuff and your YouTube channel. So let's look at on the top what it's saying: the anti-vibration shock mount, tap to mute sensor button, and its four-pillar pattern. Its RGB lighting is also in this mic. So as if you know, the all gaming or streaming mic has these kind of audio jack, and these are different kind of pattern you can record yourself. So let's open it. So this is the first look at this. Oh, they're giving instruction to pull. Let's see. So these are okay. This is the lightning pattern what they're giving you. That's a normal thing. I don't know what is this, the manual. So let's okay, so this one has, look at this, see, oh, it's there. This is the plastic thing. So this is the mic. It's come with this USB-C to USB. That is a wire if you want to use connect to your streaming. This is a mount, and you can use this as a mount. And this is the first, this is a thing you can disconnect anywhere. So this is a mic. It will give you the lights and all that stuff. Okay, let's go with this. This is a USB-C. This is a audio jack, and this is the pattern I was talking about. So you can just change the pattern, and its sound quality is very good. I used once, and I think twice, but that was good. So that's it. So this is a come with this. Normally some mics don't have those things, but in this model they are giving you this thing. This is the base where it goes. So it will go like this, and it will go like, oh, I don't know. Oh, it should be this and this. So it will work like this way. So give me a comment how you look like that mic, and see you in the next video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.